Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So this is the massive update for Polygon holder, my brother. Polygon is completely go in the moon after a last, my friends, especially last week. They are starting going up absolutely in the last of every coin, my friend. In the last of month, starting moving upward like rocket. Definitely this time Polygon is also moving upward. So this is very good moment, my friends, for all holder of Polygon. So my brother, you can see this time they exactly after a very long time why the jump occur, especially the main reason is that to especially the short-term investor, short-term investor, they are hold in those days. Therefore my friends, they want to make a good money for my friend at the end of month. Absolutely there is more chances they will take a very good profit, because at the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. So definitely they will decide, my friends, so this is holding time. So exactly if you are hold, absolutely my friend, I hope, my friend, I expect this to in upcoming times they will give you more good profit, my brother. So let's pretty get this coin, my friends. Can in upcoming time there is a more chances, my friends, to they moving upward or not? Can absolutely, my friends, the price will give you a profit or not? What's the prediction? And yes, what's my opinion? Sell, hold or buy? But before I get started this brand video, I have one request for all of you to kindly subscribe this channel, and yeah, also press the bell icon for videos notification. If we check out, my friend, this time the last 3 days chart. So this chart is completely going to show you the change occur as 26.23% and the profit. So it's a brilliant change occur, because if you can see this time after a very big fails they take a long jump. So it's mean to upcoming time there is more chances to they make a good profit. Let's see, my brother, the last 7 days chart to what's going on in the last 7 day chart. My friends, I predicate this coin in the last 7 days. Therefore because the last 7 days chart is completely going to be very bad and they are completely in the loss. So therefore let's see, my brothers, to what's going on. This time you can see here minus 20.73% they fell down in the last 7 days. A lot of holders are lost and very big, my friends. You can see here this time. So the main reason is that especially the short-term investor, they're starting selling and they cannot hold. So therefore the main reason is that, and absolutely everybody knows this, the crypto market is completely dumps down in those days. So therefore I think this is also the second reason. The big reason is that, so don't see this short fails and be remember to the good time is soon. So you need to hold and make a good money, my friend, at the end of month. So let's see, my brother. I hope, my friend, in upcoming times they will moving upward, and definitely I already show you the last 2 hour chart. So it's already clearly you see, my friends, to they will moving upward. So the change occur will be positive. So it's mean to they will moving upward. It's completely 100%, my friends. My prediction is going to be right now. So kindly you need to hold and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, my lover, my brother, my all viewers. Kindly like this video and also subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type information videos.